Watch this video to the end and learn how to solve problem under projectile. A tennis ball is hit with a velocity of 3 meters per second at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate range. So let's analyze the problem. A tennis ball is hit with a velocity of 3 meters per second. So that means initial velocity equals 3 meters per second at an angle of 60 degree. So theta angle equals to 60 degree to the horizontal. Calculate range. So you have to calculate range. Let's write the formula of range. The horizontal range is given by u square sine 2 theta over g. So this is the formula of horizontal range. So let's make a substitution. Range r equals to u. The value of u is 3. Then you square it. Then sine 2. Then theta, and theta is 60 degree. So you put 60 divided by g, and we know g is 10, acceleration due to gravity. So let's write 10, which is equals to, let me use my calculator. 3 square is 9. So sine 2 times 60 is 120. So sine 120 will give us 0.8 0.87 approximately, then divided by 10. So before we go any further, please go to my profile. There is link that will take you to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos there. You can go and watch a lot of my videos there. So let's continue. So now we have 9 times 0.87, then divided by 10, which is 0.783 meters. So this is the horizontal range for this problem. So please follow, like, comment and share for all.